How to fix Instagram account compromised. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, are you getting a pop-up saying that the Instagram account has been compromised? Then that means you might need to make your Instagram account more secure by changing the password. So let's dive right in. Go to your profile icon and on the top right tap on the three lines, and then you'll need to go to account center and then tap on password and security under account settings, then tap on change password. Now you'll need to put in a current password and then make sure that the new password is unique and no one will be able to hack it. And for safety, also turn on two-factor authentication. Now set it to SMS or WhatsApp, and then you will get a code when anyone tries to log in into your device. Just make sure you enter the confirmation code to turn on the two-factor authentication. And make sure you log out from all the other devices. And that's it. This is how you fix Instagram account being compromised. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.